All right, good morning, guys. This is Coach King. Today, I'll be going over your nutrition plan outline assignment. Now, this assignment is meant to help prepare you um, and construct your ideas for your nutrition plan that you will be developing and creating. Now, I'm going to go ahead real quick and read off the directions, and I'll explain in detail what I'm asking of you from this assignment. So, the directions for this assignment, you will begin to create your nutrition plan based on the client you have chosen. Now, remember, you have a list of clients that you can choose from: a client with high cholesterol, a client with high blood sugar, a client with high blood pressure, or a client that would like to gain weight in a healthy way. So after you have chosen um, one of those clients, you will then create a nutrition plan. The nutrition plan should include all 5 food groups, which are fruits, vegetables, dairy, grain, and fats. Remember, with those 5 food groups, it doesn't all have to be in one meal, but it needs to be spread out throughout the meals for the day. I need you to, it says, please list the meals they will be having for breakfast, snack, lunch, and dinner. You will also need to justify or explain why you chose each ingredient or meal. Okay, these meals must be balanced and healthy for your client to consume. Remember, you are the expert. Help your clients reach their goals. So here, for instance, under breakfast, you're going to go ahead and type their breakfast. Okay, so maybe it is eggs, okay, with some wheat toast and so on and so forth. So you would type whatever their breakfast is. Then you would down here justify why you chose those specific ingredients for their breakfast. So maybe you said, I chose the eggs because they are a rich source of protein. Okay? And then you go on and talk about each ingredient and why you chose that specific ingredient for that meal. Okay, remember that you need to choose food that is going to help them reach their goal. For instance, we went over a list of foods that help decrease cholesterol or help regulate blood sugar, or healthy foods that help you gain weight. So those are the foods that you need to make sure that you have in this nutrition plan, because those are the foods that are going to help your client reach their goal. So make sure you're referring to your past assignments and past things that we have done, so that you can kind of get a good understanding of why you are implementing specific foods in this nutrition plan. Okay, and the main reason is because you want them to help them reach their goals. So if you do have a patient or a client with high blood pressure, well, I gave you a list and we did a whole assignment on what foods help lower blood pressure. So then you need to go and figure out what those foods are and then list them, hopefully throughout this nutrition plan. Okay, and then at the very end here, you need to list 3 foods or drinks your client should stay away from. Okay, so maybe your client has high cholesterol, then maybe they should stay away from donuts, right? Because donuts have a lot of trans fat. These are the things that you should be listing down. Just 3 major things that you think the client should stay away from, that's going to keep them from reaching their goal, and that's it. And this is the very foundation of your assignment. So once you have completed this, then you kind of essentially have the outline of to what you're going to do and how you're going to develop your nutrition plan on either a presentation, such as Google Slides or Adobe Spark, or many of you have the option of doing a physical handbook where you're going to make a book and then print out pictures and cut them out, or draw things, or whatever your heart desires you will do. So you have many options in which you can turn in this assignment. But here it is, guys. If you have any further questions, you can contact me, see me at class, before or after class, or feel free to email me at jonathan.king@kavodcharter.org. You guys have an amazing day. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys can create and develop for your client. Have a great day.